Hey guys, welcome to Plant Therapy. This is Mona, and I stopped into Lowe's to see what they have and came across this beautiful calathea. I believe it's a Rosia picta hybrid or some sort of medallion, but I think it's the first. Beautiful big pot. I think the price was $26.98. Not crazy about the stripes on the pot, but nonetheless, the plant is beautiful. Some damage to the leaves, but nothing you can't work with. Live trends. They are really impressive. I do enjoy their plants and their planters. Very pretty. I like that red Maranta.
Don't go playing the victim. You did it till you all by yourself. I try to ease the problems.
For beginners, ZZ plants are the way to go. You have to ignore them. Once a month, maybe water, and they'll be fine. Believe it or not. Now here, this ficus. Let's see. I think this one is Taniki. I like the variegation. It's nice full pot. And here, this calathea. I don't know, is that a pinstripe? What's the name of this calathea? If you know, please let me know below. Here, I really like this Sansevieria or Dracaena snake plant. It's a nice little pot for $12.98. I love the deep green and the variegation on this. Gorgeous. Here's some peperomias. I've had the silvery color one. Can't think of the name right now, but these can be a little bit of a challenge, but not too much. I love the twirly growth pattern on this Dracaena. For you guys who are new to plants, just starting out, Dracaenas are very easygoing too. And that's a fern. I can't tell you much about ferns except that I admire them from afar. I think I tried a fern years ago and I couldn't provide it with the humidity it needed, so it died quickly. So I don't go there. One day I'll try. Here's another one of these beauties. I have one that died back. I'm not sure what was going on. It was doing beautifully, and then all of a sudden I'm down to one leaf. But I watered it, kept up with the care, and lo and behold, here's a new leaf coming. So don't toss them out. I've heard of people cutting these back. The prayer plants, just chop them back all the way and they can grow back for you. And this is another Dracaena. Beautiful colors on those leaves. I love the pattern of growth. It's just spiky. And don't these grow into a little tree eventually? So this Lowe's has been rearranging everything. I may have said that already, but I only filmed the live trends area. The other section had the typical plants you always see at Lowe's. did have a new aglaonema, and if you look at my shorts, you'll see I recorded a little reel of that one. Very pretty. Unusual looking. It's sort of a cross between Silver Bay and something else. That's what it looked like to me. Now this here is nice looking, but $29.98. Doesn't even hold that much water, but if you like it for the aesthetic, if that's your type of look you're going for, I guess it's worth the money. And here's a red Maranta. Here's some beautiful Raven ZZs, and I think that's a global green down there to the left. And then up here is the Syndapsis Moonlight at Truby Eye, I think. And some beautiful bromeliads. Gorgeous. Love the color, love the green. Very pretty. I like the pots they're in too. And here, I've never gotten one of these Xanthosomas. If you guys have had one or have one, are they very thirsty? They kind of remind me of the, what's that plant that I had? Oh, I'll put the name on the screen as soon as it comes back to me. Oh gosh, I can't think of the name. But that thing was very thirsty, and then I think it got thrips, so it died. But anyway, this beautiful lemon lime Maranta, I tell you, it is gorgeous. $20. It was a really full pot though, and they had a couple of them there. Kind of like them in the hanging pot. I do well with these, and then they die off on me, so. But I'm going to keep trying because I love them that much. They're easy to propagate. Beautiful plants if you can keep them alive. Now look at this one. This is a mini variegated lipstick plant. I've never seen this. What do you think about this one? It looked like it was distressed. Both. They had two there. I like the variegation on the leaves. So I've never seen that one before, but if they put them on a clearance rack, I'd pick it up. But I'm not paying full price for that. I wouldn't. They're distressed, and I don't know what the flower looks like on that, or if you can get it to flower. And here's some Raven ZZs, my favorite. I love the contrast to the new leaves when they come out light green and then turn that dark color. I just wish I could clean the leaves off, because when they're shiny and pretty, oh my god, what a beautiful pot. And down here is that plant again. It's calling to me. It kind of reminds me of the Lacanosa I got, Hoya. Anyway, look at these Adansonians. I thought the one that I got was such a full pot, but look at this one, man. It's beautiful. So many plants in this pot. Can't go wrong with that one. $20, yeah, it's worth it. Beautiful, healthy looking. They had quite a few of them down there too. So if you guys are in the Frederick area, Buckystown, Pike is where this Lowe's is located. Alright guys, so this wraps up my very short little tour of the local Lowe's. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!